The State of Israel was founded on May 14, 1948, based on the Declaration of Independence of the leaders of the Zionist movement. The decision to establish Israel came in the context of what is known as the Partition Plan, Partition of Palestine, adopted by the United Nations in 1947. In this context, Palestine was divided into two states, a Jewish state and an Arab state, but the Arabs rejected this division. The next day after Israel declared its independence, Arab countries launched the military attacks against Israel. This war was known as the War of Independence or the Nakba from the Palestinian point of view. The war continued until 1949, when Israel concluded armistice agreements with neighboring countries. Since its founding, Israel has gone through several wars and conflicts with neighboring countries, and tension in the region has continued over the years. Israel has expanded into the territories it occupied during the wars, which include East Jerusalem, the West Bank, and the Gaza Strip. The issue of Israel and the conflict in the Middle East remain among the major issues in international politics to this day,